Hi guys! It is 4 o'clock. Tas lang ng work ko. I just had a shower. Hindi ako nagbasa ng buhok, obviously. And I'm wearing this hat because I didn't put makeup on. Lipstick lang. Ang dami kong pimples. Nag-breakout ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I just finished work. So, I think we're going out because it's a beautiful day. It is 27 degrees, 26 degrees on a Saturday. I wasn't planning to vlog. But, you know what? Aalis kami, so magvo-vlog ako. So, yeah. We're going now. Yeah. Kaya sinuot ko to kasi hindi ako nag-straight or whatever sa buhok ko. So, I'm just gonna put a hat. So, yeah. And just... this sun is from Key, Australia. Yeah. And I'm just wearing shorts. First time in this rain. So yeah, alis na kami. And just white t-shirt. Casual. So I was saying, yun nga, natapos yung work ko ng 3:30, alas 4 na. And I'm so tired. Pero ayoko lang sayangin yung araw. Super sunny. Pero, ganda ng panahon talaga ngayon. As in spring na. Tingnan nyo, nag-breakout talaga yung face ko. I don't know. Saan ang galing? But, I'm just gonna wear my dirty white Converse. So, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta eh. Magdadrive ako. Hindi ko alam. Saan kami mapadpad. Hi!
Hi!
Change your plan? No. Not really, but we're in Neil's car at the moment. We're just gonna pick up something from his parents and we're going to his brother then. Yeah, we're going.
Brother.
After that. I don't know, where are we going though? Like,
I don't know, I thought we were going to Pepper Lunch.
What?
We're going to Pepper Lunch?
We're going to Chinatown. It's still early for dinner.
Okay, we're going somewhere else then.
I'm just gonna do some
Where are we
driving.
going?
I don't know.
China. Lefty Lucy.
Apa?
91?
Huh?
$30 in, just going 2010. Yep.
Splashing on me. I'm getting petrol.
You're up.
Am I cool?
Yeah.
Hello! Look at this. Look at this sunshine though. Oh, gusto mo lang.
Look at the sunshine though.
Yeah, it's very sunny today. It's already 5:20 in the afternoon. And yeah, it's still like sunny. Feels like 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's very nice though. So we're going to, what's this? So we're going to the market. We're gonna have lunch. I was driving a while ago, but Neil wants to drive.
What?
He said, I'm driving to the market because I don't trust you.
I just said, do you want to drive into the markets? And then I didn't get an answer, and then now I'm driving.
Yeah, because he doesn't trust me to drive to the market.
Yeah.
I'm wearing Creeper from Colourpop. And yeah, first time. And just gonna have lunch dinner. It's only 5:20. Merienda. Yeah, we're gonna have merienda. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Yun lang. Bye. My face is so ugly without makeup. I'm here at Pepper Lunch. We're gonna have lunch and dinner. It's on Facebook, it's not playing Pokemon.
Amazing. Amazing. Give it a tour.
On Facebook, no, Pokemon. It's really weird. Are you sick? Okay, I'm just gonna have dinner, lunch dinner. I ordered the jumbo pepper, jumbo something. What did I order? Jumbo beef pepper rice. And he ordered boring spaghetti. Cooking. Just gonna have this. I'm just having that.
Not up sauce.
Huh?
Also put something in the savings account.
What?
And also put something in the savings account.
Oh yeah. Yay, we're going to Semaphore. We're gonna have ice cream. It's already 6 o'clock, but yeah, still daylight. It's daylight. So yeah, we're gonna have ice cream. Because it's really nice to have ice cream. It's been a long time. I forgot now what it tastes like. It's been a long time since we had ice cream. Yes, we're here. Oh, we were at the market, but on the way now to Semaphore. Yes.
Back to Semaphore again.
Yeah, Semaphore every weekend.
Get the Magikarp. It's all about the Magikarp.
Like every weekend, Semaphore.
It's the new best place. Pokemon Beach.
Yeah, Semaphore now is Pokemon Beach. So, guess where we are? We're in the Philippines. No, we're in we're in Semaphore. Oh my god. We're in Semaphore.
Again.
Again and again and again and again.
Catching my Magikarp so I can get my Gyarados. There it is.
Dogs swimming. It's very busy. It's really nice here though. It's not cold. We're having ice cream here at Copenhagen. Good. It's nice, but we're like taking the road, watching cars. Ang daming tao. Busy. I'm having macadamia. And Neil's having, what's that? Golden
Nutella.
and golden tea time.
Good gate.
Huh?
Golden good gate.
Morning guys! Wait lang. Pinapanood ko sa Saitio ko. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday and ano bang ganap ngayon? Kasi kahapon, wala akong ginawa. Hindi ako umalis kahapon. Day off ko din kahapon. Nag-film lang ako ng video. Isang video nga lang na-film ko kasi super, ewan ko, parang nawawala na ako ng motivation to film a video. At saka nawawala na rin ako ng idea. As in, marami naman ako naisip na idea, pero nawawala na ako ng motivation to, I don't know, to make a video. Ewan ko, super down na down ako this past few days. Hindi ko alam. But, yeah, I filmed the recreation wedding look ko na collaboration with Kirsten, yung friend ko si Kirsten. So, if you haven't seen that video yet, watch it. Ililip ko yung link ng video ko tsaka yung video ni Kirsten sa description box. Ano bang ganap ngayon? Yan, magkikita kami ni Anna tsaka ni, ano ba, nabablanko ako. Ni Anna tsaka ni Reyes today. Super gloomy nga eh. Super ano pa rin ako. Winter outfit. Ito lang yung suit ko. This is just from Kmart and Black Pants. Tapos leather jacket na lang ako kasi malamig. Siguro mga 14 degrees lang ngayon. Then I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye! Hi guys! Ready na ako. It's 10 past 11. 11:15 yung bus ko. Yeah, so I'm just gonna run. So, this is my leather jacket from Doti ata ito eh. Doti. Then I just have this. This is my birthday present for Rice. Bibigay ko sa kanya ngayon. Then, yun, naalis na ako. Wait lang. Tatakbo na ako kasi. Late na ako. Wait.
Vlog kami.
Hi!
Kay NYC. Oh, sige,
Vloggers. Tapos na to. Uwi na ako.
No, uwi na si Faye.
Hindi, ikaw na. Hindi, ikaw na.
Mark camera. Yeah. Oh, perfect.
Hindi tayo pareho. Magno yung sa'yo. Mas mahal yung sa kanya. Mas maganda yung sa kanya.
Lunch kami, magla-lunch.
Ayun, picture na yan.
Ha? Wala, picture ka.
Focus. Dito kami sa Coco View.
Ito, kay Kathy. Ito, Sai, and Paris.
Mag-vlog. Mag-haul siya. Mag-haul siya.
Pato ko dito.
1 week ahead, syempre. Mag-haul si Reyes.
This is the birthday one. Yeah. Ito, ganito kay Kathy maganda.
Open it.
Wala, bakit ang dami?
Ang dami.
Spoiled. Kaya i-vlog mo yan, tapos i-vlog mo yung sa akin. Binigay ko sa kanya.
Asa?
Sige lang, stop. Wait. Pause. Ito. Paano ko ito i-pronounce?
Breville.
Ako yung subscribers mo. Request ko. Ano, gold.
Ay, cute.
Thank you. Ito may isa pa. Ito. Sabi mo maliit lang. Laki ng sukat.
Malaki yung paper bag eh.
Pareho tayo. Malaki yung paper bag. Binigay ko sa ito. Sige.
Sana walang price. Sana walang price.
Magkanang pinabagis. Pinatang ko sa... Wait, how do you open it?
Wait, ate, yeah. Tanggal mo yung bow.
Tingnan mo ginawa ni Rafe. Oh. Nilagay yung camera niya dito sa may...
Ate, I hope you like the, the scent. I
No, I
hope you
like
like...
cherry blossom. Meron akong lotion na cherry blossom. Ang galing sa ano.
Yeah, I sprayed it and I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah.
The
Cherry
perfume.
blossom sa Japan. Punta na naman sa Japan. Yun yung gusto ko makita doon.
Oh, cherry blossom.
May, sabi naman po, may magsasagal ano. Cherry blossom. Oh, ano daw? March. March? Oh yeah, March. Birthday niya!
Oo nga.
2 years lang bang... Wait.
Sabi ko, hindi niya tayo pabango. Nagkatingin ako.
Hindi ako bibili kasi ng pabango. Actually, hindi pa bang binili.
Yay!
Kasi ito binili ko.
You're welcome. Ayan na, yung kay Ann. Mag-vlog si Ann. Uy! We're having caramel. Ano yan? Something caramel. Hindi. Nag-order sila.
Chumichika pa rin.
Chikadore. Hi guys! Nakauwi na ako. Gusto ko lang pakita may rainbow. Kita niyo ba? Yeah. Rainbow. Kasi nakulimlim. Tapos ng araw. Yeah, nakauwi na ako. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kanina kasi nag-vlog naman sila. So sabi ko, hindi na ako mag-vlog, sila na lang. But nag-vlog ako ng konti. So yeah, naglalakad na ako uwi. I'll see you later! Hi guys! Yan, nakauwi na ako. 6:45 na, super liwanag pa rin sa bahay. I mean, maliwanag pa rin dito. Akala ko nandito na yung Colourpop. Naantay ko yung Colourpop na in-order ko. Wala pa din eh. Ano na ngayon? Wednesday, nakalagay sa tracking na depart siya sa Melbourne yung Friday pa. Akala ko dadating siya ngayon. But anyway, sabi ko nga doon sa vlog ni Reyes, magluluto ako ng carbonara. Magva-vlog ako. Kasi wala pa si Neil. Alam nyo ba guys, alas 3 pa lang umalis na siya. Alas 3 ng madaling araw. Ano na? 6:45 na, wala pa rin siya. Grabe. Tapos hindi yun bayad ha. As in, hindi siya bayad. Na whole day siya nag-work. It's crazy. Ganun ang buhay ng event manager. So, mag-haul tayo. Wait, i-charge ko lang yung phone ko. Kasama to sa haul ko. Bumili kami ni Ann nitong casing na to. $2 for $20. So, $10 each. Nagkamali pa yung babae sa Forever New. Pwisit siya. Yan niya na $30 yung binayaran ko. Pero, na-refund naman. Wait, patang ko kayo dyan, guys. Ayan. Kita niyo ba? Mag-charge lang ako ng phone. Yun nga, hindi na ako nag-vlog kanina kasi nagpo-vlog naman sila. Sabihin na naman ng mga tao, pare-pares lang naman yung vlog namin. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog. Panoorin niyo na lang yung vlog nila. Para makita niyo kung ano yung mga pinaggagawa namin. Mag-haul ako. Mag-haul. Hindi naman masyadong madami. Pumunta kami ng Priceline. Then, oh my god, ang daming sale sa Priceline. Okay, first na binili ko is, dito tayo. Kasi nasa kusina. Okay, first na binili ko, napkin is only $2. $2.50, half price. Pinalang ko si Neil ng gel. Ito yung gel niya. Hair gel. Then, half price din yung Neutrogena. Ito yung favorite na makeup remover ko. Naubos ko na yung, I bought 2 months ago kasi it was like 40% off. So, naubos ko na isa and I bought a new one. And, I bought another hand sanitizer kasi it's only like $1.50. Then, eto guys. Kasi nung umuwi yung kapatid ko dito, pinilahan ko yung mga kapatid ko ng Australis na Velour Lips na lipstick. And guess what guys? Half price. I bought like, I think I bought all the shades. Kasi sabi ng kapatid ko, ate, grabe nila ko. Sabi niya, ate, yeah, buy me more. Kasi binilang ko lang ata siya binilang ko na sila ng tig-iisa. So, yeah, I bought all of the shades. Yan. So, may pink, may para siyang orange. Focus. Hindi siya nag-focus. May parang siyang nude brown. Wait, hindi siya nag-focus. Yan. So, parang may nude brown. Red. Peachy pink. Tapos, ito, nude pink. Red. Tapos, brown. And para siyang dark red. So, I bought 9. I think 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 9. So, yun. Yeah, para to sa kanila pag uwi ko ng Philippines. Hindi ko na kailangan na dami ko ng lipstick. Then, yun nga, magluluto nga ako ng carbonara. That's what I've said. So, bumili ako ng chicken cream. Ng bacon. Already bought diced bacon. Then, mushroom. Parmesan cheese. And fettuccine. Yun. Yun lang yung binili ko today. Tapos yun nga, nagpadala kasi ako ng pera. Then, yung that's my phone. So, yeah. I'm just gonna start cook na. Okay? Wait lang. I-prepare ko lang. Okay, guys. Just following. Ilang beses ko na itong ginawa. Itong carbonara na to. Lagi ko nakakalimutan yung ingredients at saka yung method. So, I'm just following taste.com.au na recipe. So, okay. Okay. Lutuin muna natin yung pasta. So, I'm just using fettuccine para sa carbonara nito. Patong ko kayo dyan, guys. Ayan. Patong ko kayo dyan. I-boil lang. Madilim. Okay na. So, I'm just gonna use this saucepan. Super bet na bet ko. Alas 7 na super liwanag pa din. Ang ganda ng camera ni yung Mark II. Bet na bet ko yung bet na bet ko yung basta yung settings niya, tapos yung ang ganda, basta maganda siya. Tapos ko ba kayo ipapatong na nakikita niyo yung mukha ko? Nakakatakot baka malaglag. So, lutuin lang natin daw yung fettuccine. Okay, wait. Tingnan natin kung may butter. Butter tayo. Oh, shoot. Wala, akala ko may butter pa kami. Walang butter. Akala ko may butter talaga. That's annoying. Ay, walang laman yung fridge namin. As in, walang kalaman-laman. Kailangan na namin mag-grocery. Bumili lang ako ng mga kailangan ko ngayon. Ano ba? Kainis naman. Akala ko meron kaming butter. Wait, i-chop ko lang yung onion. Itong onion. Cooking show. Cook with me. Cook with just Cathy. Maganda. Hindi nyo nakikita yung mukha ko. Okay lang yun. Mukha lang naman yan eh. Importante yung pagkain. Diba? Okay. Cooking show. First time in the history. First time ko itong gawin. Ang hirap pala nito. I'm just gonna use a big wok. Yan. Ayan lang, kumukulo na yung tubig. Kalahati lang kasi kami lang dalawa ni Neil. Tsaka yung baon ko for tomorrow. Magbabaon din siya. Babaunin ko din siya. So, parang for 4 people. Wait. Okay yan. Then, ayan. Olive oil. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng wooden spoon. Ang gagamitin natin, wala naman kasi tayong butter. Margarine. Ako na yan. Hopefully. Kunti lang yung onion. Then, mushroom. Bacon. Ayan, para hindi na tayo mag-cut ng bacon, ito na lang. More bacon. Konti lang. Kung ititira ko kasi minsan nagpo-fried rice ako, nagamit ko yan. Ayan na siya, guys. So, andyan na yung bacon, yung mushroom, at saka onion at saka yung butter. Parang super dali lang nito. Kasi lalagyan na yung cream. Ganun lang. Mas masarap sana nito, guys, kung may butter. Kaya lang. Ay, kanis talaga. Nainis ako. Akala ko talaga meron kaming butter. Tapos, ito na yung fettuccine. Tatanong ko lang siya. So, stir lang natin to. Yung last time nagluto ko nito, guys, nandito yung parents ni Neil, pa yung kapatid niya. Sabi ni Neil, hala, para siyang kalasing sa pasta go-go. Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Pero hindi ko alam kung pares ang lasa nito ngayon kasi walang butter. I just use margarine. Margarine! Hindi margarine. Ewan ko, punan sila dito sa margarine. Okay. Hindi pa crispy yung bacon. Okay, so medyo na yung mushroom. Tender na. Alam mo, lagay ko na lahat. So, i-boil lang natin. Ayan, i-boil na siya. So, inubos ko yung cream. Inubos ko ito. 250 lang naman to eh. At 300. Inubos ko siya. So, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this to boil. Ayun, nag-boil na. Ayun na siya, guys. Mukha na siyang carbonara. Then, i-simmer lang natin for 2 minutes. Yeah! And that's it. That's very simple. As in, super dali niya lang. Then, maghuhugas lang ako ng itong mga plato, mga dishes, and magtutupi ng damit. Ay, mahirap ng ako lang lahat. Pero hindi ako nagrereklamo. Joke lang. Hindi ako nagrereklamo. Okay, guys. Yun yung finish look. finished look. So, yan, inalo ko na yung pasta. Medyo yung umalat yung sauce. Napadami yung asin. Hindi ko na siguro lalagyan to ng cheese. Napadami yung asin. Kanina kasi walang lasa eh. Sabi ko na dapat nito may amin. Yung butter talaga. Okay, taste test. Try natin. Sana okay siya. With with pasta. Hindi na siya ganun. Oops, kaalat. Okay, try natin. Wala pa akong gana kumain. Wala pa kasi sinili. Pero try natin. Try. Mas masarap pala pag may cheese. Hindi siya ganun kaalat kasi may pasta yan. Mas masarap yung last time na niluto ko. Hi guys! I just finished washing dishes. Wala pa rin si Neil. Exage. Diyos ko, alas 8 na. Alam niyo, umalis yun. Sabi ko nga, kakatawag lang. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, umalis ka ng madilim. Darating ka sa bahay ng madilim. Medyo madilim na. Alas 8 na. Manunod lang ako ng TV. Hantayin ko lang siya. Siguro dito na yung mga nagpapak na daw sila yung mga 10 o 9. Hopefully mga before 9 nandito na yun. Layo kasi yun eh. Siguro mga 40 minutes away from here. Ay, kaloka ang buhay. Oy! Magtutupi sana ako kaya lang natatamad ako bukas na lang. So, yeah, I'm just gonna close this vlog. Yeah. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you in my next vlog sa weekend, of course. So, I will see ya. Goodbye.